How you doing, mate?
I was up at Finished Pier earlier on. I was up there earlier on, Finished Pier.
Not much action?
It's so quiet up there.
How goes it?
Pretty good, man.
Nice
So
day,
quiet
huh?
up in Finished Pier.
Yeah, this is the spot right here. Quiet down on the
Are you still
square.
working up there or not?
Not at the moment. Takeout only.
Yeah.
Takeout only. Hopefully soon. Bring back the music. Bring back the partying.
The only thing is, I don't think my guy's working at the moment then. He works at Finished Well.
Uh-huh.
I don't think he's working at the moment.
Yeah, no, a lot of takeout only. Get a burger to go. That's about it.
If he's off, he's going to be doing recycling. So.
Oh, there you go.
But are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Hanging in there, making art. I'm gonna put up some more art here on the DMT wall.
Do you know what? I went up to there earlier when I come back. We'll go out tonight anyway. I'll speak to you later.
Good to see you, mate. Don't work too hard, okay? Ha, ha. The good boy from Essex. Hey, boss. Nice shades. Ram Dass art. The gorilla tape goes good on the back.
These are just part of the ones that I got for you right here.
Oh, there you go.
Look, I gotta find the other ones because like these are like
Classic
old,
Girl Scout, yeah.
Those are 1992. Look.
There you go. In tune. Yeah, cool.
In tune in 92.
Cool.
I mean, I don't know if you want it or not, but
Yeah, I'll use them.
yeah, I thought if you
I'll use them.
like some of the old school ones, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, put them on.
Yeah, I'll use them. Yeah, I'm gonna be here for a second. Yeah, I got you. Let me see what I got.
The other ones, I don't know exactly where they are exactly though, but I'll look for them now. I have the other stuff back too, but I
Yeah. Yeah.
The woo is on the woo way is on the
Yeah, the
woo.
way. Yeah, the woo.
Oh,
Well set.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You got it.
I got some more things.
Oh yeah, yeah. Whatever you got, I'll use them. We'll get them out there.
Cool. I got a bunch more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Take a picture of this real quick from my phone now.
Keep it herbal. That's how we do it. Oh yeah.
So, is this like some kind of a little cartoon story that you're making up or what?
Yeah, it's a lot of different legalized cannabis themed art.
Oh, is that right?
Some Zappa, Ram Dass, you know, whatever, this and that. Mother Earth, lube check.
So what does all this mean?
Free the cannabis prisoners.
Oh.
Legalize it worldwide. This guy just died, MF Doom. Good rapper, classic rapper.
Okay.
You know, little art show wall.
Oh, nice.
That's cool. The purple guy came in, huh?
I don't know who that
Yeah,
is.
that's pretty cool though.
Right on.
You know, why not? We had another one down there during the summer, a little ways down. There you go, doctor. Yeah, doctor.
Anyway, that's cool. That's a lot of attention.
Oh, that's cool,
Your
yeah.
artwork gets a lot of attention.
That's cool, yeah. I mean, you know, give something for the tourists,
Yeah,
for the
I'm Chico.
locals.
I'm Chico.
Griff.
Griff?
Griff.
Meet you.
You too, bro.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you. And then the more we put up, the more other people come in. We attract the other people, which is cool.
Yeah, that's great. I love it. It's like its own TV program. It's
Yeah,
fantastic.
exactly. There you
I
go.
love it.
Outdoor content.
Fuck yeah, it's awesome. Man.
Outdoor art show. Thank you, Chico.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Feel free to put something up. Put up anything you want.
Oh, of course. I would, but I'm not really there.
I hear you.
Not really, you know. I don't know. It's a great idea.
Why not? Something for the Something for the people.
Yeah, I hadn't really thought of it that way.
When you're really stoned, you need something to look at, you know?
Yeah.
Some stimulus. Oh, thank you, bro. Oh, thank you, Chico. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. On the side?
Yeah, this one right here.
Mother Earth?
Yeah, see if I were your president,
Yeah.
I would fucking pardon every prisoner.
Oh, yeah, it's time, right?
Because
The
here's
evidence
the
is
whole
there.
thing, like, well, you can't let that ring. Well, who's to say that they're even guilty? Because
know.
it's such a gray area.
Right.
50
It's
shades of
something
gray.
they used.
It's like, you know what?
Right.
Their family and everybody around them will let them know if they're out of line.
There you go. Well said. Thank you, bro. Free them all. Free the ganja prisoners. Heck yeah. Close the private prisons.
So, I mean, think of it this way, all right? How much do they spend a year nationwide? Like, if you take all the states, every state, and I think most states are probably about, what, 500 million or something? Or I forget what the numbers are. I'd have to Google it. If you took every single state and you added that all together, that would make one hell, in 1 year, that would make one hell of a contribution towards schooling at home with our parents. You know, learning the values. You know,
These
teaching our
states are
children.
missing out on a lot of money.
Now they've got the Zoom fucking school.
Yeah.
Zoom school.
I know, it's not good.
They're not going to get bullied. They're not going to get molested.
It's true, but you don't get to hang out with your pals either.
with your parents' friends.
There you go. You don't choose your friends, your parents do. Might be better in the long run. Who knows? There we go. DMT. Zappa. Well, doctor? Yeah. Yeah. Going for it. What's up? Oh, good, good. How goes it? Good?
Yeah.
Who's going all the way? Lakers again? What do you think?
Huh?
Lakers again?
Back to back.
Yeah.
I don't know yet.
Yeah. Come on, Clippers, come on. What a day, doctor, huh?
Good one.
We're out here. Ooh, nice patch.
I just put him on. I took him. That's a representative of
Your
my
boy
24
Shovels just gave me this.
shovels.
You
The
want some of
skater?
these? Yeah.
What you got? I'll take what you don't want.
These are pretty
you
cool.
got a knife for
I can
shovels?
see you wearing this.
I wouldn't wear it all.
Or
at
for
one.
that, a
I'd
knife
take
for
them
what?
all. Huh? I said, do we want to cut some off or something? I'll take patches, whatever you want.
All right, I'll cut them up. I'll bring them to you.
Cool.
I'll cut them up. I'll bring them back.
All right.
San Fernando
Yeah, I don't have-
Valley.
I don't have. I just picked up a California hat. I cut them off. I cut the logos off hats.
Oh yeah, as you should. Keep it herbal.
Keep it herbal.
Yo yo.